Okay, I found the roadbed or the right-of-way for the old mining railroad that ran south out of Ludlow. You are now looking north towards Ludlow, and I don't remember the name of this railroad. I'll mention it in the description once I find out. But it ran this way, came around the curve right there, and then headed south to the towns that were down there, the two mining towns. You can see it kind of meander down. You can see it, it's pretty visible from the road. The road's right over there. We're parked right over there. So, but it ran straight out. You can see it down there in the distance, the fill, the roadbed. And went into the towns there. The towns are located right in those hills right there. I don't recall the name of the towns, but I'll mention those in the description as well. I'm not sure if this was a standard gauge railroad or a narrow gauge railroad. I'll find that out and mention it in the description too. But we're probably, I want to say 5 or 6 miles now south of Ludlow. And this is it. You got this old, what may have been a telegraph pole at one time, or some kind of a mile marker or something maybe for the railroad. It wasn't a tree, it's some kind of a something that was put there by someone. But this railroad would bring its minerals or whatever, its ore, up from these two towns, from the mines surrounding these towns. You can see a mine out there now. They still work these mines, by the way. So, and then the railroad would bring the stuff, its ore up to Ludlow, and then transfer it on to the Santa Fe, who would then take it into LA or back east. But this is it. I wish I could remember. Something tells me it was the Borat something or other railroad, but I could be wrong. I could very well be wrong. I will look it up. I'll research it a little better and tell you in the description what it is. But this is it. Okay, back with more. Thanks for watching.